In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to block games on Roblox. Let's start this tutorial by opening a browser and then search for the Roblox website and log in to your account. Now if you wish to block a game on your Roblox, let's say this game right here, let's proceed. Click on the gear icon on the top right corner and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Next, go to Privacy and Content Maturity. Now in here, open the Content Maturity option. What you're going to do here is to simply choose a content maturity level for your account. This controls which experiences you can join. You can adjust it to minimal, mild, moderate, and restricted. By adjusting this, it will block some of the game experiences here in Roblox and it won't show to you and you won't be able to play that game. So that's basically how you can block games on Roblox.